Hi guys, my name's Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Saturday. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to turn a crew neckline into a V neckline. I got a round neckline t-shirt many years. Its condition is still good and nice. That's a reason why I don't want to throw it away. But I want to change a little bit and create a new look for it. Then I decided to transform the crew neckline into the V neckline and show you step by step to do it. It's not difficult and complex. It's super easy and quick. Hope you like this tutorial and let's go! I'm starting to use a seam ripper to remove the neckband. Just only the front of the crew neck shirt and leave the back of neckband attached. After taking apart the neckband from the shirt, I got the front side like this. Now I'm going to fold the neckband in half and cut the center of the original neckband piece. Next, fold the shirt in half lengthwise, margin of the seam both sides and the shoulder seam. Make sure folding it along the center front. After that, from the top, go down 2 cm, mark it there. From the shoulder seam, draw an oblique line. And using a sharp pair of scissors to cut along the line. Please don't cut more than 2 cm because the existing neckband may be not enough. Okay, now I'm going to work with the left side first. I'm going to pin the neckband back onto the shirt along the newly cut neckline with the raw edges together. Starting sewing at the shoulder seam with an old seam allowance. Stop sewing when you get the V end of the neckline. Remember to leave a little bit fabric of the neckband, exactly equal to the seam allowance. Then, take the shirt off the sewing machine. Next, I'm gonna turn the neckband, matching the end of the neckband to the other side of the V-neck and stitching them together. But first, I'll snip a little bit at the V end of the neckline. It just looks like this. And now, moving on to the right side, I'm doing like the left side. And also stop at the V end. Be sure to leave a little bit fabric at the end of the neckband. Then, turn the neckband, align it with the left neckband position and stitch it. And here what it looks like, but it's not done yet. For the raw edges of the seam allowances, I'm going to overlocking them by my serger. Now it's finished. My t-shirt have a much more flattering and feminine neckline. I can reuse my old t-shirt from now with new look. Hope you like this video and see you next Thursday. Bye!